how do we guarantee, right, that they are successful. In SBS, we really teach students how to bring that data to bear on important social, political questions that then can help us strive towards, right, a more just world.
I was totally unaware about research methods before. I had no clue how to interview somebody or frame questions or to analyze. All these things I learned in this degree.
Students come out with a very interdisciplinary mindset. They're drawing from the best of sociology, the best of social justice and human rights, the best sort of data science, in order to be able to understand how these disciplines can help us collectively understand and tackle the problems that are sort of emerging at the forefront.
I chose the social data science program to gain all the skills that I need to move forward and start a new career. I would like to research in technology to ensure that we maintain healthy relationships with social media, and to have someone kind of guide you through that has been really invaluable.
We've got students that are going on to graduate school, be it PhDs, law school, entering into the nonprofit sector, government jobs, consultants, right? A whole range of jobs, because that skill set is a skill set that will stay with students, not just in the classroom, but beyond.